My name's Varun Kadur. I'm from Cupertino, and I'm a molecular cell and developmental biology major. I was one of the co-captains for the 2023 iGEM team, which is short for International Genetically Engineered Machine. It's an international research, I don't want to say competition, because I'll call it an international research collaboration, where different synthetic biology teams, mainly undergraduates, also graduates, also high school students from across the world work over the course of about a year to address a problem in their community with synthetic biology technologies. They develop a proof of concept project that they work with that local community to build, and they share and present it with other teams at the international jamboree. So what we did last year is we identified this ongoing problem at Pinto Lake in Watsonville that was being affected by toxic microalgae. And we started work on basically a plasmid that would knock out these toxin production genes in this toxic algae. And we also, on the other side, worked on software to make organisms like this that are hard to engineer, easier to engineer. So it was a great opportunity to both address a local problem, which is the contamination of water systems in our area, and also help with a much larger, wide-scale problem of the scientific community, which is engineering these organisms that are really finicky to work with. It was also a great opportunity to bring different specialties together because most of the time when you're working in a lab or just when you're working with other students in general, you're mostly working with folks that are in, if not the same major as you, at least the same department. But because it synthesized so many different skills, being able to do an undergrad research project like that allowed me to interact with people that were much more along the lines of computer science, along very different lines of biology, in biochemistry, in human biology, in molecular biology. So really different fields getting put together. If I could tell myself, when I first got admitted to UCSC, I would really just tell myself, just start doing cold calls and start applying to stuff and start talking to professors earlier. Really, the advice that I'd give students is just not to be afraid, because I did, of course, eventually overcome it, but that was one of the things that prevented me from taking advantage of all the really huge number of opportunities that were here in terms of joining a community, in terms of participating in research, because once I started doing it, I realized hey, there was literally nothing for me to be afraid of. Yeah.